This is Soumitra again from Mineral Water Project Information. In this podcast, we are going to talk about why the mineral waters are expensive. If you have noticed and if you have purchased somewhere like on some star hotels or on the airports, you might find some bottles like Himalayan, or you might find bottle called Veen. Then you might see some bottle called Blue Pine or similar bottles. So these bottles are costing 500 ml bottles, maybe costing some 60 odd rupees for say this bottle, Himalayan or Qua. There is a brand called Qua also. So these bottles 500 ml, they may be costing 60 plus rupees, whereas the typical packaged drinking water which we take from Bisleris or local brands, Aquafina or Kinley, Oxyrich or any such brands, you would see that those bottles usually cost rupees 20 for 1 liter. So what is the difference and why the mineral waters are expensive? We can just understand that. In another podcast, we have explained what is packaged drinking water and what is mineral water. You can always go and check that particular podcast. What is the difference? But let me tell you that why the mineral waters are expensive. The reason number one for they being more expensive is that the source is very unique. The source of this water, it can be unique. Unlike the other packaged drinking water plants, for example, Bisleri has got many plants all over India. Similarly, many people have got many plants all over India. So any water can be made into packaged drinking water. Such thing does not happen with packaged natural mineral waters. The sources are very unique. So the water which you have at that particular source cannot be extracted from any other source. That is very important. So this is number one reason. And because of this, second reason is very important. When the BIS, that is certifying body for the waters, Bureau of Indian Standards, when they issue ISI mark for that, the ISI mark is 13428, that is a mark which is put up on the bottle label. When they issue that, you can put up this particular ISI mark on that. They have to, these mineral waters need to protect the source very uniquely, so there are many different kind of test reports for that, and quality control is very stringent on that. So that the sources should be unmanned, and thousands of acres of land sometimes the project is spread on. So these all things make it very unique to protect the source. And one more thing is the distribution part of this water. So you might see that the water the Himalayan water or the Veen comes from Bhutan. So it does not have any plant in Mumbai, but still you can have that, you can get that bottle in Mumbai. So if you're getting that bottle from Mumbai, it is not extracted from the local Mumbai land and converted into natural mineral water, but that water has come from straight away from Bhutan. And this plant itself may be in dense forests and very unique places. So number one challenge is going up to that places, and usually the hilly regions or Himalayan regions, these all plants are located nearby. So you can understand the transportation which is involved. It is not just challenging but expensive as well. This is number two. Third is the availability of this water. This water cannot be available as the packaged drinking water, raw water is available. The usual raw water which is available for packaged drinking water is the raw water in the groundwater from the aquifers wherever they are located. So it is not that easy to make this water available. So the quantity availability is also challenge. So this is also one more thing why the waters are more expensive. So natural waters, do they really have those qualities or not? Yes, they do have those qualities because it naturally has all the minerals in it. So as I told you that we already have another video placed. In that video, we have explained what is the difference between packaged drinking water and packaged. So similarly, there are many things which might be considered before starting a plant, So similar things you can keep in your mind while starting a plant. So stay tuned, and as you know, we have consultancy services, and we also have trainings where we actually explain these things more in detail. Those are called as idea to actualization for a packaged drinking water plant. As you know, fortnightly we run those, monthly twice. Check the calendar on the website. mineralwaterprojectinformation.org is the website. You can check the calendar and have yourself booked. These sessions are